There is a broad selection of bed sheets products available, each offering distinct features, advantages, and pricing. To assist you in making a well-informed choice, I conducted thorough research, analyzed numerous reviews, and compiled a list of the most reliable and effective options from reputable brands. These products have proven to be highly beneficial for individuals seeking quality and performance. For detailed information, including pricing, please refer to the description. Without further delay, let us proceed to the video. Number 1. Amazon Basics Lightweight Bed Sheet Set. Amazon Basics Lightweight Super Soft Easy Care Microfiber 4-Piece Bed Sheet Set with 14-inch deep pockets. Customer reviews. Average rating. 4.5 out of 5 stars, 439,135 global ratings. Price only $14.39. Features: lightweight, super soft. Material: 100% polyester. Size available: twin XL, full, queen, king. The price varies based on the size. Product care instructions: machine wash, do not bleach. Pieces: 4 pieces. Pattern: solid. Brand: Amazon Basics. Machine washable: yes. Available colors: 20+ colors. About this item: soft and cozy, all-season comfort, elegant style. These microfiber sheets are machine washable, dryer safe, wrinkle and shrink resistant. Amazon Basics bed sheets are manufactured in an OKTX Standard 100 factory, an independent certification system ensuring high safety and environmental standards. Customer reviews. 4.4 out of 5 stars, 391,599 global ratings. Price only $14.39. Number 2. Comfy Breathable and Cooling Bed Sheet Set. Queen size 4-piece sheet set. Comfy breathable and cooling bed sheet set. Hotel luxury bedding for women, men, kids, and teens. Deep pockets, easy secure fit, soft and wrinkle-free Ecotex. Customer reviews. Average rating. 4.4 out of 5 stars, 391,599 global ratings. Price only $29.99. Fit sizes: 8 to 16-inch deep mattresses. The price varies based on the size. Triple embroidered pillowcases. Triple embroidered. Envelope enclosure pillowcases. Envelope enclosure. OKTX certified, yes. Size available: twin XL, full, queen, king, California king, split king size. Product care instructions: machine wash. Pieces: 4 pieces. Pattern: solid. Brand: CGK Unlimited. Machine washable, yes. Material: polyester. Available colors: 45+ colors. Wrinkle proof, yes. Fade proof, yes. Stain proof, yes. About this item: flat sheet, 102 inches by 90 inches, fitted sheet, 80 inches by 60 inches, 2 pillowcases, 20 inches by 30 inches. Deep pockets / easy fit. They're breathable, cool, and super silky soft. Highest quality brushed microfiber. Average rating: 4.4 out of 5 stars, 391,599 global ratings. Price only $29.99. Number 3. Mellanni Full Sheet Set. Mellanni Full Sheet Set, for PC Iconic Collection Bedding, Hotel Luxury, Extra Soft, Cooling Bed Sheets, Wrinkle, Fade, Stain Resistant. Customer reviews. Average rating: 4.4 out of 5 stars, 340,334 global ratings. Price only $35.97. Fit sizes: many types of sizes. The price varies based on the size. Fits mattresses, up to 16-inch deep. OKTX certified, yes. Premium material, double brushed microfiber. Machine wash, tumble dry low, yes. Set includes fitted, flat, and 2 pillowcases. Pattern: solid. Brand: Mellanni. Shrink and fade resistant, yes. Available colors: 40+ colors and sizes. About this item: lightweight luxury for year-round comfort. Includes 1 fitted sheet, 54 inches by 75 inches by 16 inches, 1 flat sheet, 81 inches by 96 inches, and 2 pillowcases, 20 inches by 30 inches. Effortless care and lasting durability, perfect fit and certified safe. Average rating, 4.4 out of 5 stars, 340,334 global ratings. Price only $35.97. Number 4. Utopia Bed Sheet Set. Utopia Bedding Queen Sheet Set. 4-piece bed sheets for queen-size bed, soft and breathable microfiber, includes 1 fitted sheet, 1 flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases. Customer reviews. Average rating, 4.6 out of 5 stars, 235,006 global ratings. Price only $15.99. Fit sizes, twin, pack of 2, twin XL, full, pack of 10, full, queen, pack of 2, queen, king, pack of 2. Material, polyester microfiber. Machine wash, yes. Set includes 4 pieces. Pattern, solid. Brand, Utopia Bedding. Available colors, 27 plus colors. Available pack sizes, 1, 8, 10. OKOTX certified, yes. About this item, 4-piece soft sheets queen size includes flat sheet, 90 inches by 102 inches, fitted sheet, 60 inches by 80 inches, with 15-inch deep pocket and 2 pillowcases, 20 inches by 30 inches. Soft, cooling, and durable queen-size sheet set. Ideal sheets for a queen-size bed set. All-around elastic for a perfect fit. Luxury in every shade. Ultra-soft and incredibly cozy, OKTX certified and skin-friendly. Average rating, 4.6 out of 5 stars, 235,006 global ratings. Price only $15.99. Number 5. California Design Den Natural Bed Set. California Design Den Natural 100% Cotton Sheets Queen Size Bed Set. Soft 400 thread count sateen, queen sheets, deep pockets with all-around elastic for a snug fit, cool and durable bedding. Customer reviews. Average rating, 4.5 out of 5 stars, 85,418 global ratings. Price only $39.99. Sizes, 14 plus size available. OKOTX certified, yes. Material, cotton. Machine wash, tumble dry low, yes. Set includes 4 pieces. Pattern, solid. Brand, California Design Den. Experience the feel, soft and comfortable. Available colors, 30 plus solid, stripes, prints. Bed sizes available, T, TXL, F, Q, K, CK, SK. Extra pillow cases available, yes. Easy machine wash and dry, yes. 100% inspected and certified, yes. About this item. Winner Good Housekeeping 2023 Best Bedding Award. Perfectly sized bed sheet set with deep pocket. Durable, color fast, and easy care. Average rating, 4.5 out of 5 stars, 85,418 global ratings. Price only $39.99. Best? Which of these products is the best? Number 1 is the best because Ultrasoft Comfort with 85 GSM Brushed Microfiber Sheet Set. Enjoy breathable, all-season comfort with 100% polyester sheet sets. These 85 GSM brushed microfiber sheets are machine washable, dryer safe, and wrinkle and shrink resistant. High standards, and this product is 100% polyester and has a global rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, 439,135 global ratings. People have given this many opinions on Amazon. Price only $14.39. That concludes my overview. I regularly create informative and helpful videos, so please consider subscribing to my channel. If you require more information or wish to check the product prices, be sure to explore the description below. Should you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment. Stay connected with us for updates on innovative products that are designed to make your life significantly easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.